Behind me is the Jvari Monastery, which is one of the oldest monasteries in the world. It's over 1500 years old, but has unfortunately since just become another Tbilisi tourist attraction, full of horses that no normal Georgian would ever ride on, and some Georgian hats over here. Because what authentic Georgian won't be wearing an authentic Georgian hat? Alright, let's check out the monastery. Here, we could read all about the monastery. Well, the letters weren't all bloody, scraped off or whatever. So Jvari is a Georgian word that means cross, so the Jvari Monastery gets translated literally as the Monastery of the Cross. And this is a really interesting place because this is a medieval Georgian church that has somehow managed to survive over 1500 years practically unchanged. It hasn't been restored and somehow over the years wasn't burned down or anything. Really, really unusual and remarkable. Now, over the years, this place has survived being burned down by Arabs, being invaded by all the foreign enemies of Georgia. But most recently, it's encountering its two greatest threats that could threaten its very existence. One, acid rain, and two, the European tourist.